Hello! Today I'm excited to demonstrate for you the Rotadent Chalkboard Challenge. For over 25 years, the Rotadent has been recognized as a proven at-home solution for premium oral health. Did you know the Rotadent is the only powered toothbrush clinically proven to be as effective as brushing and flossing combined? It's also been clinically proven to remove 92% of the plaque in the very first minute of brushing. Let's take a closer look. I will now use a standard chalkboard and chalk to demonstrate how the Rotadent ProCare is able to sweep away plaque from the surfaces of your teeth both gently and more effectively than a couple of other leading power toothbrushes. Let's start with the first competitor brush. This brush is marketed as utilizing sonic vibration to disrupt and remove plaque from surfaces of your teeth. But let's see what happens. I've turned the brush on and I'm beginning to slowly move the brush head across the chalkboard, using the technique that the manufacturer recommends. As you can see, some of the chalk is being removed, but only in certain areas, and a lot is being left behind. Let's see what happens when I apply a bit more pressure and move the brush head around in small circular motions. You'll see that a lot of the chalk is still getting left behind, and the chalk that does seem to be getting removed is only being moved to different areas. Let's move to the second competitor brush. With this brush, the brush head moves in an oscillating motion, meaning it rotates slightly to the left and then slightly to the right very rapidly. Again, I'll use the manufacturer's recommended technique. And as you're seeing, we're getting very similar results. Let's now try this with a Rotadent ProCare, and let's see what happens. Rotadent ProCare is the only 360-degree rotation-powered brush that stays in constant contact with the tooth surface. Each Rotadent brush head has 4,577 unique microfilaments, which are 1/3 the width of standard toothbrush bristles. This enables them to access hard-to-reach areas that an ordinary bristle might miss. And because the brush head is rotating in a full 360 degrees, the microfilaments don't just brush your teeth, they're actually able to clean and polish your teeth as they sweep away the plaque. You can immediately see the difference. Now let's run the Rotadent ProCare along the edge of the chalkboard. Notice how these 4,577 microfilaments are actually able to sweep under the edge of the chalkboard, much like it would under your gum line and in between your teeth. You've now seen for yourself how Rotadent ProCare is able to remove plaque and clean teeth more effectively than the leading competitors. Interested in learning more? Remember that Rotadent ProCare is only available through dental professionals. Take home the professional choice for advanced cleaning and ask your dentist or hygienist today about Rotadent ProCare.